Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kay here and I've got another little project to share with you, totally inspired by Create with Scrimpingmommy from the group, and Amanda did this 8-pocket ephemera holder, I suppose you could call it. It's ideal for putting into journals and that kind of thing, and this background paper is made up of 2 pieces of copier paper, and then I've just lined them and decorated them, distressed inked all the way around to come up with this lovely little folder. Now I call it an ephemera holder because it is made up of 8 pockets. I'll link Amanda's tutorial below this video so that you can see it, and it is so easy, and then it depends entirely up to you. Amanda gives you the base, what you then go on to do with the little folder that you've made. But it's quite a quick make until you start doing your layering and matting and that kind of thing, but so versatile and clearly would fit any digital papers you might have to hand. I'm afraid I have a wealth of designer papers that I bought many years ago. I'll show you what this came from, and it was a bundle that I purchased some time ago. I think it was 4 pads for, I can't remember now. It was a special offer, something like $7.99. I really don't recall. And it had little mixtures of paper, some tags. It's all double-sided. It's excellent quality, and made in the UK, 200 GSM, so it really is a quality product. But it's been lying in my cabinet for, I can't even begin to tell you because I have lost track, but I decided I would make up the little 8-pocket folder and decorate using the base that Amanda shared with us. And you see the pockets, I've left white edges and then inked them because I wanted it to look like a patchwork or a collage, or you know, whatever you'd like to call it. And it really is really lovely. You've got a pocket there, a pocket there, a pocket there, a pocket there, which is then mirrored on the other side. So were you to have ephemera pieces or anything like that that you wanted to send out to someone, or die cuts or anything of that nature really, then you have the opportunity to not exactly stuff it, because there is again no actual spine. You've got maybe, I don't know, a quarter of an inch. Let's have a little look here. Yeah, probably a quarter of an inch leeway, and so you can't afford to overfill it. But what a lovely idea. The papers are all from the same pad, so you don't have to worry too much about coordination. And I'm sure a lot of you have paper pads hidden away or just sat there gathering dust that perhaps you haven't used for a long time, and this is such a lovely idea to use one of those pads. The scraps I've got left from this probably wouldn't do very much. There were 21 designs, so that's 11 pages maybe, and this is the kind of scraps that I've got left over. 1 full page, and then the rest comes down to offcuts and things like that. I could probably make a couple of little cards or something just to finish up the pad, because I really don't like throwing anything away unnecessarily. But there you have it, and there's the back, and it is floral, it's bright, it's cheerful, it's got some vintage aspects in the background, and is, I think, really, really lovely. So thank you, Amanda, for sharing and inspiring me to go on and make this. I hope you will go and check the tutorial out because it really is lovely, and I'm going to post this in the Create with Scrimping Mummy Facebook group purely and simply because it is Amanda's design that I have decorated. So once again, thank you so much for sharing this time with me, and I hope I've inspired you, given you food for thought, and that you've enjoyed sharing this with me. Take care, everyone. Bye bye for now.